Nothing I dislike more than dishwasher stink. These Affresh dishwasher cleaners are part of my regular cleaning routine, and they definitely keep my dishwasher fresh and free from gunk. So I used one of these already, so there's 5 left. It's a 6-tablet carton, and it's so easy to store. I really like the lime scent. It's a nice little bonus. So why I keep going back to this Affresh dishwasher brand tab, it cleans what you can't see. So I do wipe my dishwasher down, but this thing here tackles that hidden buildup in the tub, the pump, and the hoses. So places I would never, ever, ever reach otherwise. And I'm familiar with this brand, so I trust it. And a KitchenAid, that's what I have, and it works perfectly, no problem. This is kind of like a set it and forget it. One tab, I just throw it in there, and or you could put it in the detergent tray, but I just toss it in there. If you really want to get extra fresh, you could put 2, but I only put 1. But would I buy it again? Yes. This is a staple in my monthly cleaning lineup. Keeps my dishwasher smelling and running smoothly with like absolutely 0 effort. Highly recommend.